Ever find yourself scrolling through countless Airbnb listings and feeling more overwhelmed than excited about your upcoming trip? You're not alone. Welcome to the Lazy Traveler's Guide, where I, Ryan Brooks, help you navigate the world of travel with as little effort as possible. Today we're tackling how to pick the right Airbnb in under 2 minutes. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, know your non-negotiables. Think of 3 things you absolutely need from your stay. Is it a comfy bed, free Wi-Fi, or maybe a killer view? Jot these down. Next, use the filter tools to your advantage. Most platforms let you filter by amenities like entire place, Wi-Fi, or pet friendly. This will instantly narrow down your list and keep you from falling down the rabbit hole of options. Now check the reviews. Focus on the comments about cleanliness and host communication. These are often the deal breakers. Look for listings with consistent 5-star ratings in these categories. Finally, the location. Make sure it's close to what you want to see or do. A quick map check can save you tons of time and cab fare later. To wrap things up, remember, know your must-haves, filter like a pro, read those reviews, and map it out. Try these tips on your next trip and watch how much simpler your planning becomes. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more easygoing travel tips right here on the Lazy Traveler's Guide. Until next time, happy travels.